Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you the how can you create stickers on your Telegram application on your mobile phone by Android mobile phone right now. So how can you do that? You will just have to go on sticker option here. Let me just go on that. There is a bot called stickers. Just click on the stickers bot here and open it on your mobile phone. And you just have to click on the restart option here. Let me just do that. So when you restart it, there is an option called emoji starts and animated emojis, static emojis, and many more you can find here. And also you can create the sticker for it right now. Wait a second. You just have to enter the size and the dimensions of the sticker and it will give you a created sticker on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked and hope you will like the video.